Welcome. Today in front of me Huawei Mate 10 Pro, and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first of all, you should go to the notification bar, and here you'll see the Wi-Fi icon. Just tap it once to the Wi-Fi icon to activate it. If you wanna turn it off, just tap again on the Wi-Fi icon. The second way is just go to settings, and here tap to Wi-Fi, and now you'll see the Wi-Fi switcher here. Just tap it once to turn it on, and now you can see all the available networks. You can select one from these networks. For example, I will go with this one, and now just tap here the password. By tapping here on the icon, you can see your password, and now just click connect and wait for a few seconds to connect in to this network. So now you can see that our device is connected, has successfully connected to this device, to this network. So that's it. If you want to turn it off, just tap here to the Wi-Fi switcher. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.